Earth sounds. What, and why? Is time running out? The world is hearing some very strange sounds. Witnesses report trumpets sounding, thunder sounds and lights flashing. A sound unlike any sound heard before, ever. Are we witnessing an event, man-made, or a prophecy being unveiled? And as the harps played, the trumpets did sound. Could this be what is prophesied in the Bible? Or an elaborate hoax? Or is it something else? Something beyond our comprehension? We need to study what may be causing this type of event. This is where you need to have an open mind, and consider all possibilities as they are presented. First, let us look into past events. Thursday, September 1st, year 1859. 33-year-old English astronomer, Richard Carrington, projected an image of the sun onto a screen. He was capturing the likeness of an enormous group of sunspots. Suddenly, before his eyes, two brilliant beads of blinding white light appeared over the sunspots. What was he seeing? Just before dawn the next day, skies all over planet Earth erupted in red, green, and purple auroras so brilliant that newspapers could be read as easily as in daylight. Indeed, stunning auroras pulsated even at near-tropical latitudes. Over the Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, El Salvador, and Hawaii. Even more disconcerting, telegraph systems worldwide went haywire. Spark discharges shocked telegraph operators and set the telegraph paper on fire. Even when they disconnected the batteries powering the lines, aurora-induced electric currents in the wires still allowed messages to be transmitted. What Carrington saw was a white light solar flare. A magnetic explosion on the sun. Other historical events include August 4, 1972, long-distance telephone communications across Illinois were knocked out. That event, in fact, caused so much damage that AT&T had a major redesign in power systems for transatlantic cables. March 13, 1989, provoked geomagnetic storms that disrupted electric power transmission from the Hydro-Quebec generating station in Canada, blacking out most of the province, and plunging 6 million people into darkness for 9 hours. Aurora-induced power surges even melted power transformers in New Jersey. December 2005, X-rays from another solar storm disrupted satellite-to-ground communications and Global Positioning System (GPS). Navigation signals were disrupted for about 10 minutes. Not an ideal situation for a commercial airplane being guided in for a landing. However, from what I have examined, There is no record of strange sounds associated with these recorded events. What then is making the noise? Some people will say that we are experiencing the beginning of the end of life, as scripture depicts. And some believe it, the end of time, as depicted in Mayan history. Truth is, the rapture, plus 2012, equals money. Why does it equal money? Fear. Fear of the unknown. When people fear of the unknown, they will pay any price for the feeling of security. Money equals power. Whoever has that power, has rule over all things, physical and mental. Scenarios created from history will always be a money spinner for some people and organizations. Having an open mind about what is real or not is important when dealing with things such as this event. Are we witnessing something that is a natural event or something completely manipulated and manufactured? Are the powers pushing their so-called given rights into trying to control people, into thinking something is going to happen? One thing that will happen. Loads of individuals and organizations are going to get very wealthy. Question now is, what do you do about it? Do you dig a hole and hide? Do you stop breathing? The answer is no. You do exactly the same as you did yesterday, and the day before that. You live life. The point is, whatever faith or belief you may have, is that life is real, and you are here now. Don't live in fear of something that has not happened, live for today, not tomorrow. 2012 is going to be a year, like any year you have experienced before. Don't be fooled into believing that life will end. Life will continue for years and years. The future will be bright and prosperous. Don't worry. All will be fine. The answers will be revealed in time. The truth is out there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.